So the next topic is feeding in animals. All living things need food to stay alive. Food provides the material needed for growth. It also provides energy to carry out different life processes. Different animals eat different types of food. Their body parts are adapted to the kind of food they eat. Animals that eat plants are called herbivore. They include sheep, rabbit, cow, zebra, deer, and many other grazing mammals. They have sharp front teeth for biting and large back teeth molars for grinding the food. Smaller herbivores such as rabbits, rats, and squirrels gnaw seeds and fruits. They are called rodents. They have long, sharp front teeth. So as we already discussed that food is the basic need of all living things because food provides us energy and this energy is used to perform different life functions, for example growth. So different animals have a different type of food that they eat, and their body parts are also designed in such a way that they help to eat that food. So the animals that eat plants, they are called herbivore. Basically herb is the word which means plant or grass. So basically herbivores are those any animals which eat plants or grass, means they eat green leaves. And their examples are sheep, rabbit, cow, zebra, deer, and many other grazing mammals. Grazing mammals mean those mammals which eat grasses. So, what type of teeth they have? They have sharp front teeth and large back teeth. Sharp front teeth are used for biting to cut the food, and the large back teeth are used for grinding of food easily. And the smaller herbivores such as rabbits, rats, and squirrels, they gnaw the seeds and fruits, so they are called rodents, and their teeth are long, sharp, so that they can easily gnaw the seeds and fruits. So here you can see the cow. It is also a plant eater. So it is called herbivore. There is rat and rabbit. They both like fruits and seed. So they have long and sharp front teeth. So they are called rodents, but they are also included in the herbivores. And the cow, if you notice the teeth of the cow, so they have sharp, broad teeth, and their surface area is large as compared to the other group of animals. And this is the reason that they eat grass, and the large teeth help them to grind the food exactly and accurately. So next group of animal according to their feeding habit is carnivores. Animals that eat other animals are called carnivores. Examples are tigers, lions, cats, and hyenas. They have very sharp pointed front teeth for tearing the flesh. Their back teeth are strong and have sharp edges. They are used to chew the flesh and bones. Flesh eating birds such as eagles are called birds of prey. They have sharp hooked beaks for tearing the flesh of their victims. They have sharp claws for catching their prey. So the animals which eat the flesh of other animals, they are called carnivores, and their examples are tiger, lions, cats, hyenas. So their teeth are very sharp, they are pointed, and they are used for tearing the flesh. So the back teeth of carnivores are very strong, and they have sharp edges because they have to chew the flesh as well as bones of other animals. And the flesh eating birds are is eagle, and eagle is the best example. So it is also called birds of prey because it prey the other birds, and it likes to eat the flesh of other birds. So it has a sharp and hooked beak, and it also has sharp claws for catching the prey. So according to the feeding habit, the third group of animals is called omnivore, and animals such as bears, cow, chicken and mice eat both plants and animals. They are called omnivores. So omnivores are those animals which depend on both plants and animals for their food, and just like human beings, we also are omnivores according to their feeding habit. So you can see here the owl, the lion, these both are carnivores, and here is the bear, that is the example of omnivore because it eat both plant and animals, while owl and lion they depend on the flesh of other animals or birds.